for the last 3 months we have been practicing, and the thing is that we were not able to implement all the things. Like we have, first of all, what we have seen is that his receptive part has improved. That we have also given a score of 60% in receptive part has improved, and we mainly acknowledge like this program to that thing. So he has started touching the crayons which he used to refuse initially. Now he is touching the crayons. He's making a mark on the paper, but not with the writing part and all. So he needs to develop on that. That is there. Next are his the eye contact. Eye contact was a bit poor in him, and it has improved to a percentage of maybe 20%, 30% has been improvement is found in him. The next part is social. The social part, he has improved upon it. He is now mixing with other people. He is interacting with them. He is hugging them. So there's a lot of improvement in that. Speech is now speaking in words. He's now speaking in words. 2-letter words he's speaking. The most important part is that he is now able to express his needs, basic needs like food, water. He's speaking. We are quite happy with this program for the last 3 months, and I would like to recommend it to other parents also who are having these kind of issues. Best part is that this you have a WhatsApp group, and where we can just share our concerns. We get lot of feedback, lot of information regarding this program. So the last 3 months was very helpful for us. I was really benefited as a parent.
तो ट्रीटमेंट कंटिन्यू करने का कुछ दिन के बाद मेरा बेटी का थोड़ा एक्टिविटी, पहले एक्टिविटी फुली डॉर्मेंट थी, थोड़ा एक्टिविटी थोड़ा पॉजिटिव एक्टिविटी चेंज हुआ. फॉर एग्जांपल वो सोशलाइजेशन जीरो था, तो ऐसे बाहर में किसी के साथ मिलती नहीं थी. अभी थोड़ा सा बाहर में घूमती है, और आई कांटेक्ट जैसे अबाउट टू 10 to 20% इम्प्रूव हुआ है. सोशलाइजेशन का हिसाब से मेरा बेटी का 20% मेरे को लग रहा है इम्प्रूव हुआ. एक्टिवनेस आया, पहले से जो एक्टिव नहीं थी, वीक की फीलिंग कर रहे थे, ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं, वो पॉजिटिव आया.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what I can see is only 20% improvement. But definitely we are looking forward to this program, and it is helping us. The eye contact has improved, and since he is going to be 18 next month, so maybe I think it's going to take a little longer, but this program has definitely helped us. He was within himself. उसको कोई मतलब नहीं था आसपास की सराउंडिंग से, कुछ नहीं. Now alertness has increased and command following has increased.
Actually, if I have to rate Virat's improvement, then I would say it's about 20 to 30%. And in terms of speech, he has developed vocabulary is improved. His vocabulary has been improved, and he is using the word sensibly. It's not like he doesn't know the meaning of the word. He's just using because he heard it somewhere. He's using the words and using them properly. So speech-wise, his improvement is there. His eating habits have been improved.
I would like to thank Dr. Garg also for his time-to-time suggestions whenever I contacted him through message or with phone calls also. तो इसलिए है कि सब कुछ साथ पे इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद क्या है कि सेल्फ स्टिमुलेटरी एक्टिविटीज जो है उसकी वो भी थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव हुई है. और डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज थे इसको, क्या कि इसके फाउल स्मेल आता था इसका यूरिन में भी पॉटी में भी, बट दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव. मतलब अभी मुझे वो नहीं लग रहा है. वो डिटॉक्स जूस और जितना भी डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स ये सब शायद प्रॉपरली मैं दे रही हूँ, तो वो वर्क कर रहा है अच्छे से. एंड मे बी इसका ये है कि अभी जो रिपीटेटिव साउंड्स है ना वो कम हो गए हैं.
But in the last 3 months, we observed very beautiful results. Like we are practicing for cycling, skating from very long back, like 1 year, 2 years back. But he didn't achieve. Suddenly, like last month, he started doing cycling on his own, skating on his own. I don't know, maybe I don't because of this practice or the functional medicine work there, but this is what happened. And all his shower, bathing, brushing, potty cleaning, everything he is doing independently now. Because now his eczema is completely reduced, his bowel movements are perfect. All the time it is perfect, bowel and sleep, we don't have any issues with that. And he's now, after coming to Bangalore, his allergy is completely gone, I can say. So, and no flapping, and he's hyper. He's still hyper.
Right.
There is a decrease in the hyperactivity, but he is still hyper. Hyper in the sense he will not. If you make him to sit, he will sit. Otherwise, he keep on running away. So he's that kind of guy. And one more interesting thing, we are practicing this Rehan since from 1.5 years or 2 years, ABCD. Today only he wrote all in sequence.
Okay.
A lot many things we are practicing, but the results are coming now.
I mean, like I didn't use like the proper way the vitamins which the doctor suggested, but the remaining things, whatever I'm using, it's working on him in the receptive part, and he just now started like the babbling sounds, or he's trying to, whatever we are saying, at least he's trying to tell it. I mean, like repeat it. The socialization wise, he's actually good with the elder people, but the P2P communication is like the difficult for him. I mean, he don't know like how to play, but he observes kids. I mean, how they are playing, how they and the part is like he started the imitation. I mean, if we are doing something, he started to, I mean, like copy the things and all. So that's actually the positive note.